Hello, this video review is for London Lee. This is the second time we've used him. This time was for 315 Ladson Road in Silver Spring, Maryland. He's absolutely wonderful. He is really thorough. He explains everything. He spends a lot of time, not just on the house, but with us. And we just think he is the cat's meow and deserves the highest rating that you can give him. We certainly have done that for him. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Solange Varela. I just finished doing a home inspection for our new home. I'm very excited. Jim was phenomenal. He went over everything in detail, took his time, made sure everything was good. I feel very safe now to move in because everything looks great and I understand everything that he went over. Definitely recommend him to any and everyone that needs a home inspection. And again, very, very nice person, very friendly, very professional, and really know what he's doing. So thank you. And
hello, I'm here in Silver Spring, Maryland with Jim from Top to Bottom Home Inspectors, and we've just completed an inspection on a property that I am planning on buying. And I just wanted to say how happy I am with my experience with Top to Bottom home inspections, and our inspector Jim has just done a fabulous job, and this guy really knows his stuff. So if you're looking for an inspector, Top to Bottom is where you want to go.